1. Hook 1 to build scalable, reliable cloud architectures. Learn how to think like a cloud architect. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical framework to make better design decisions. But how do you get there? 3. The simple explanation: thinking like a cloud architect isn't just about knowing services like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. It's about understanding how to align technology with business goals. Here's a breakdown. Understand the requirements, know what your application needs. Choose the right services, pick the right tools for the job. Design for scalability, ensure your architecture can handle growth. Implement security, protect your data and systems. Monitor and optimize, continuously improve performance and cost. 4. Real-world example: let's look at a startup that launched an e-commerce platform. Initially, they used a single virtual machine on AWS. They thought it was cost-effective at $50 a month. But as traffic grew, they hit a limit. Their site went down during a flash sale, losing $20,000 in revenue in just 2 hours. They realized they needed a more robust architecture. After analyzing their needs, they switched to a microservices architecture, load balancing. They implemented an elastic load balancer, distributing traffic evenly. This costs about $18 per month but improved availability. Auto-scaling: they set up auto-scaling groups to handle traffic spikes. This meant they only paid for extra instances during peak times, saving costs in off-peak hours. Database optimization: they migrated to an Amazon RDS for better performance and automatic backups. The result? Their uptime improved to 99.9%, and they could handle 5,000 simultaneous users without issues. Revenue during their next sale tripled. 5. What to do instead: here's a step-by-step framework to help you think like a cloud architect. 1. Gather requirements, identify business goals. Understand user needs. Estimate expected traffic. For a new app, you might expect 1,000 daily users initially. 2. Choose services wisely, research available cloud services. Consider factors like pricing, scalability, and security. For databases, choose between managed services like RDS or self-hosted solutions. 3. Design for scalability, use auto-scaling groups to manage load. Implement caching for better performance. Set up auto-scaling to add instances when CPU usage exceeds 70%. 4. Implement security measures, use IAM roles for permission management. Encrypt sensitive data both at rest and in transit. Set up AWS KMS for encryption and ensure all S3 buckets are private. 5. Monitor and optimize, set up monitoring tools like CloudWatch or Datadog. Regularly review logs and usage patterns. Schedule monthly audits to identify underutilized resources. 6. Common mistakes. 1. Ignoring cost management. Fix: use cost calculators and budgets. Regularly review your spending. Set alerts for when you exceed your budget by 20%. 2. Poor security practices. Fix: implement least privilege principles for IAM roles. Regularly audit permissions. 3. Neglecting scalability. Fix: always design with growth in mind. Use auto-scaling and load balancing from day 1. 4. Overcomplicating architecture. Fix: start simple. Add complexity only as needed. Use a monolithic approach for MVPs, then transition to microservices if required. 5. Failing to monitor performance. Fix: set up alerts for key performance indicators. Track metrics like response time and error rates. 7. Quick checklist before you start building your cloud architecture. Use this checklist. Clearly define business goals, user requirements documented, chosen cloud services evaluated, scalability strategies in place, security measures implemented, monitoring tools set up. 8. Summary plus CTA: thinking like a cloud architect involves understanding requirements, choosing services wisely, and designing for scalability. Avoid common pitfalls like neglecting costs and security. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. What challenges are you facing in cloud architecture? Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and insights. Bonus practical tip: If you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.